Hi Mario. So today we're gonna be working on your IEP goals, and this is goal one, reading and academics. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have several assignments. So the first one we're gonna start with the pronounce the common sounds that the letter makes. So we're gonna start. Well, first this should be in your packet. So if you want to look for it and we can go through it together, you can follow me. So the first assignment that you have would be with the letter F. And the F sound is F, 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 F. So what you're going to do is you're going to color the picture that begins with the F, F, F sound, like F, fork, sun. So you know that fork you color and sun you don't. Leave it the way it is. And then you just trace the letter. And we'll do that. You can do all these, all of these. These are easy, so I won't read them to you, so you know. This might be the hardest. It's a donut. So you'll go over all of them, sound them out, and if they have the f sound, you color it. The next sound is a sound of the G. G, G, G. That's the sound. So you'll do the same thing. Look at the picture, sound it out, and if it starts with the G, you color it. G, G. So let's start with this one. Let me help you out here a little bit. So, tub, tub. And then this one is G, G, ghost. So you know to not color tub, and sorry, hold on. Let me get this cursor. There you go. You don't color this one, but you color this one. And then you keep going with all the rest. Okay, sound it out. And remember, if it sounds with a G, 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 you color it. Also, you trace the letters with your pencil. Just go over the letters. Practice your G. Now, that's what you're going to do, these two, the F and the G. Now, your second or your other goal is to pronounce some common sounds. So, what is this? Fire. Fire. So, what is the letter name? So, you put it here. And what is the sound? Well, you know the sound. Practice it. And you'll do the same thing for this one. Okay. Now, here, what is this? And what sound does it make? You write it here. And then here. Okay, now your goal 2. Your goal 2, you're going to be able to, I'm going to read some cards to you. Some words that you should be studying. We're going to go over them. And then once I have flashcards, I made flashcards for you. So we'll go over it. And that way you'll learn them and hear the sounds and everything. So these are the words. So let's start. I don't have them in that order, Mario, but you don't have to look at the paper right now. You can just look at my cards. And then I want you to memorize 10 and write them down and take a picture and send them to me. Okay? So the first one is no. No. Next one is funny. Funny. Hour. Hour. Other. Other. One. One. New. New. My. must, must. Me, me. Make, make. Look, look. Little, little. Like, like. It, is. Into, into. In, in. I, I. Here, here. Help, help. He, he. Have, have. Good, good. Go, go. And cat, cat. So out of all these words, Mario, I want you to write down 10 that you remember and that you know already. Take a picture and send them to me. Okay, that's going to be it for today. So make sure you finish all your work. Take pictures and send them to me so I can put them in Teams. And if you know how to put it, Mario, in Teams, go ahead and put it. But if you don't, just take the picture and send it to me. If you have any questions, you call me and I'll help you. Thank you. I can even go live with you. So call me if you need help.